In this tutorial, we'll see how you can get free credit cards for Discord Nitro in just a few simple steps. I will show you 3 resources to obtain these cards. Open your preferred browser and search for privacy.com, which offers virtual cards. After searching, you will land on their website. If you navigate to the pricing and plan section, you'll see they offer both free and paid plans. You can go with the free plan, which allows you to create up to 15 new cards per month. Click on Get Started and then simply sign up with your email address to start using these virtual cards. This was the first resource. The second resource is CapitalOne.com. They offer a vast range of credit cards, including options for cashback rewards, travel rewards, and business rewards. If you explore their site, you can find various types of cards that suit your needs. Additionally, they also offer checking and savings accounts, making it a versatile option for personal or business use. The third resource is cardbenefits.citi.com. You can enroll here and apply for various credit cards as well. So those were 3 resources to get free credit cards for Discord Nitro in 2024.